Hey guys, this is Catherine from Xhorse. So today we're going to unbox a Xhorse new product, Mini Prog. Now I have the box in my hand. So what is Mini Prog? Well, Mini Prog is a professional smart programming device featuring solder-free program. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what it comes inside, the functions of Mini Prog and its accessories, and also I'm gonna show you how its working interfaces look like. Lastly, we have previously collected some questions you may have on Mini Prog. In today's video, I'm gonna answer these questions to you. Now I have the original package of Mini Prog in my hand. So you can see from the outer packing, it's just like a pen. That's why we sometimes call it a programming pen. Now I'm gonna open this box. So firstly, what we've got, a Mini Prog. It comes with a pin header. This is pin header 1, and this is the tool. And also we've got another 2 pin headers. This is number 3 and this is number 2. And they are used to read the data on modules. And also we've got a adapter. This is the EEPROM adapter. And we've got a cable. This cable is used for connecting Mini Prog to adapters. And we also got a USB cable. This is for charging this device. So this is Mini Prog. The color is a bit different from what we can see on the cover page, but it's still okay, and it's very lightweighted and very comfortable to hold. So this is the front side of Mini Prog. There are 3 buttons. The first is on and off button. We can start the device. And the second, menu button to control the device. And there is a light button. You can turn the light on. This is the LED screen to show the working status of Mini Prog. Now I'm gonna show you the working interfaces of Mini Prog. To operate Mini Prog, you have to download Xhorse app on your smartphone and access to Xhorse. Choose Mini Prog. Turn Mini Prog on and select the device. In the main screen of the tool, there are 6 icons. The first, EEPROM and Flash. It can read EEPROM of different manufacturers. Here, we choose Atmel. Click it, and it will show the specific chip. And it will show which adapter you should use. This is pin header 3. Just connect the header to Mini Prog, then you can directly read and write data of it. Next, IMO. It supports several cars like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, Porsche, and Volvo. Let's click BMW. You'll see you can read these many modules. Let's choose Class 4. You'll see info about the operations, which adapters you should use, and the connecting diagram. Usually, you need to clip the adapter to the module. As for the instruments, so far it supports 3 car modules: Honda, Hyundai, Kia. Let's choose Kia K5. Also, it shows the info adapter and the connecting diagram. About the ECU, it's the same interfaces as other modules. The last icon, read ECU with CAN. You can read ECU without dismantle. So previously we have collected some questions you guys may have on Mini-Prog. Now I'm gonna answer these questions. So question 1, can this read EEPROM correctly and give pin code for classless free module? Definitely, it can read the EEPROM data directly and don't need to solder. And that's very basic. That's a very basic function of Mini-Prog. What you need is a EEPROM adapter. That is in the standard configuration. But if you need to read other modules like BMW Class 3, you need to buy extra adapters from your dealer. Question number 2. Does it support Volkswagen IC24C64, Rhino 93C56? Yes, of course. These are two common chips we support. And actually, you can see the support list on our app. So question number 3. Does it do reflash? Yes, of course. It supports reflash. And question number 4. Will it have updates? Does it need tokens? Sure, it will be updated several times a week. As for the tokens, there is no need tokens for operation or programming on the device. Question number 5. Will information get corrupted when reading directly from PCB board? Well, if you can find the module on our app, the information on the PCB is 100% secure and safe. Question number 6. Rhino 95040 can do this read pin code by direct? Yes, it supports this chip reading and writing.